kinds of sentences. Firstly, what is meant by sentence? The sentence is a group of meaningful words that's called with sentences. There are 4 types of the sentences. First is assertive sentence, that's called declarative sentence also, and imperative sentence, and third is interrogative sentence, and fourth we can see the exclamatory sentence. Firstly, we discuss about an assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Assertive sentence also called the declarative sentence. What is meant by assertive sentence? The sentence which make a statement or declare something. For example, we can see the sun rises by 7 in summer, and the second, I wake up by 8 every day. Both the sentences, we can sentence begin with the subject, then verb, and then object. First, in first sentence, the sun rises by 7 in summer. The sun is the subject, rising in is a verb, and by 7 in summer, that's called object. And the second sentence, we can see I wake up by 8 every day. I is a subject, wake is a verb, and then other word is a object. Both of that sentence, there is a full stop and end of that sentences. In that meaning, we can see an assertive sentence always end with full stop. How can we see an assertive sentence or declarative sentence? It's both the sentence is one and it's make a statement or declare something. Then the second kinds of sentence is imperative sentence. What is meant by imperative sentence? The imperative sentence express a command or request. In that sentences, for example, we can see close that door at once, illness, or the second of that sentence is let the children play in the garden. We can see in both of that sentences, sentence begin with the main verb. First, we can see close that door at once, illness. The close is a main verb, and in the second, let the children, and let is the also verb. So we can say in imperative sentence, the sentence begin with main verb. That's called imperative sentence. And imperative sentence also end with the full stop. In that sentence, one can command to another or request one another. Then we can say an imperative sentence always end with the full stop. Then we see the third, an interrogative sentence. What is meant by interrogative sentence? Which sentence asks question. In interrogative sentence, for example, we can see would you like some more tea? Or second, which sandwiches would you like to have? Both of that sentence, one can ask the question to the another. In first example, would, this is a to-be form, or we can say helping verb. And in second, which is a WH word. After all, in all that sentences which is interrogative, sentence begin with WH word. And interrogative sentences always end with a question mark. In that both of the sentences end with question mark. So question mark is the most important in interrogative sentences. And last kind of the sentence is an exclamatory sentences. And what is meant by exclamatory sentences? The exclamatory sentences express a sudden or strong feelings. One can express his own feelings, strong feelings, which we call an exclamatory sentences. We can see the example. What a beautiful play! Exclamatory sign. Then second, how well she danced! Exclamatory sign. Both of their sentences, what and how, this is the WH word, and this sentences end with exclamatory sign. So we can call that exclamatory sentences end with an exclamation mark. Exclamation marks is the most important thing in exclamatory sentences. What a beautiful play, and how well she danced. Both sentences express his own feelings or sudden feelings. So exclamatory sentence is very important in to express our feelings. That is the fourth kind of the sentences which we can see. First is assertive, or which is called declarative sentence also, and the second is imperative, third is interrogative, and last is exclamatory sentence. Both of the assertive and imperative sentence end with full stop, and the interrogative sentence is most important thing is question marks, and exclamatory sentence end with the exclamation sign. Exclamation sign is the most important. Student, if you like my explanation, please like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.